Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to divide both sides by ds. Next, we see that x squared, y squared, x squared, y squared, they are discrete number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we need to do first the derivative of v. So we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of s. We have number 1 dx over ds multiplied by v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one that is about number 1. So why we need to change for vs. This one that is about this one. Next, we need to simplify s squared for the both sides, and we got like this. So I will put this one go to the right, then we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right, and we have negative v. And now we can do common denominator. So this one that is about 3v plus v to the power of 3. And now we combine everything in here. So this one that is about identities. So we put v plus 1 to the power of 3. So I will put this one go to the left, ds, and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to v plus 1 because we got about v. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. This one we change for u. V we change for u minus 1. dv we change for du. And now we need to expand this one. So number 3 plus number 1, we have number 4. So this one divide this one. So we got 4u to the power of negative number 3. The next one we have 1 over u. The next one we have negative number 2 over u square. So the integration of this one, that is about negative number 2. So because negative number 3 plus number 1, we got negative number 2 over negative number 2. The next one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u. The next one, we have positive number 2 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about v plus 1. Now we can go back in here. The integration of this one, that is this one. This one we have Fn of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.